You can expect a lot from the 2011 Honda Pilot. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 13 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.